Okay, so here we go. We see this how to connect. Okay, so this is the Wi-Fi attachment, and I guess AM FM antennas. This is here. Okay, so we now have the remote and two pieces of cell which are AAA. This is there. Okay, so this is the Odyssey microphone rather, and there is an cardboard tripod is there, which we can attach it with the once we join the cardboard tripod, we can place the Odyssey microphone at the top, and with the help of Odyssey microphone we can get to know the configuration of the distance of the speakers are from the receiver, and it will the system the AV receiver Marantz has got the system of configuring the speakers as per the distances. So it helps in the 5.1 channel, or actually Marantz 1509 is 5.2 channel. So once we have all these speakers attached, and once we run this attach the Odyssey, and when we run the software, it will be able to detect the perfect configuration. Yeah. So here we go now. So this is the main system. So I will place it here for a minute. Then I will take this out and I will open it here. Perfect. The power cable is here. So here we go on the system. So let me try to bring it a little closer. So let me give you a close-up look. So it has got HEOS technology built in, and it has also got the Amazon Alexa. We can directly talk and instruct the receiver to play our favorite song from the when we are doing it from the streaming, either from Spotify or from Amazon Music. So it has got a good large selection knob, and in the right hand side we have the volume knob. Let's see in the back. So in the front we have one HDMI output and one USB output. Here we have the one for phono connect and one for setting up the Odyssey microphone. So let's see in the back. So impressive. So we have the phono input, left, right, and the ground. We have 3 outs, left, right, front, and along with the 2 subwoofers. These are the knobs to connect the 5 channels, left, right, center, and the back left, right bookshelf. It has got 5 HDMI inputs and 1 HDMI output ARC, which we can connect to a television. So the 5 HDMI inputs in the back, and there is one more in the front, so altogether 6 HDMI inputs, which is really good. And it has also got the Ethernet port to connect, and optical port also, and these are the knobs to connect the Wi-Fi antennas. Okay, so here it looks quite impressive. So I will do another video where I will connect to the speaker and I will host it again. Till then, thank you so much.